how to avoid highways on your Waze app. So what you can do is go to your Waze app, and before you put in a destination or anything like that, you want to hit the three lines at the top left-hand corner. This is going to bring you to your accounts and your settings and all these things. So you just want to go to your settings, and you want to go down to where it says driving preferences and go to navigation. So from here, you want to go ahead and check avoid freeways. So freeways basically is highways. This is going to make your Waze app choose back roads and regular roads that are in your suburban areas to get to your destination. So once that is set, come back out of here, and we're going to go ahead and pick a location. I do have one in my recents here, so we're going to go and hit that one. And from that point forward, you'll be able to hit go now. And then there you go. It's going to give you back road options to go to your destination. You'll avoid the highways or freeways. And that's it. It's super easy. It's super simple to use.